Good morning guys. Today we will understand constant read-only keywords in the C#. So what is the use of constant read-only keyword in the C#? So before going to understand, let's understand some scenarios so that it will be very uh, easy to understand these two keywords where we should use const, where we should use read-only. Suppose we have a client. Suppose we have a user. Okay, user 1, which is from the Mumbai circle. Okay, and this user, this is your system, and user 1 comes in and log in. So once user logged in, you face the details that user is from Mumbai circle, and on the Mumbai circle you get the some configurations, you get the some configuration details related with that users, and it will be uh, constant, it will be constant till user in your system. Now user 2 and is from Goa. Okay, so we fetch the details for the some specific conditions or specific configurations for that Goa circle and get the details, and that will be for the user 2. So here user 1 have some different configuration, user 2 have some different configurations, but throughout this application, user 1 and user 2 have a different configurations. Okay, but the values will be the constant once user are in the system, user 1 or user 2 are in the system. So values of these configurations changes as per user login. So, and second scenario is, suppose here is the DB, it has some configurations for user 1 or user 2 or user n, database is same. So this is the constant, this is also constant, but the value is not dependent on user. So these constant values will be defined at the time of declaration. So here we will use const keyword, and here we will use read only. I will explain through the code also, read only, but both are constant in nature, this is the very hodgepodge screens, but let's understand the read only. Here is the class, program class. In the program class we have read only values, static string C, and we are defining C value since it is static, so the values will be in the static constructor, and we are defining the value C here. Now we are writing here C. If you check that, So C value is accepting. So suppose user logged in into the system and comes under some classes and fetch the details for that user, from that the user is from Mumbai or Maharashtra circles or from Goa circles, then we'll get the details and update the values as per the users, and this configurations value will be the constant for throughout the applications. But in the but suppose, let me write here const, but if you see here, this is the const keyword. Let me remove this const static. So if you check here, we are getting error. What is error? A const field requires a value to be provided. It means const, with the const keyword, the variable should be defined at the time of declarations. So here we'll get a database configuration settings, data source, database, data source path, data source values. And once you define the values in the const keyword, you cannot change it. The same with the read only. The same with the read only. Go with this. Okay. Let me change into read only of the previous code. Okay. Now check with the read only keyword. This is the C value that we have. We declare here C. We change the value of C in the static constructor. Now we'll try to change it here. C. Okay. Now let's check what the error that is. A static read only field cannot be assigned to except in a static constructor or variable initializer. Here we are getting some different type of error, but the problem is, for the read only keyword, we cannot change once we define the values. So it will be constant once we define any values. I hope you understand. Thank you.